We live in the digital age right now, and it's become more important than ever to actually have an online presence. Travelers these days, they just go to their phone, they check out Instagram, and they find inspirations for their next destination. They check out reviews, take recommendations from YouTube creators, and they would have decided everything from the hotel, the airline tickets, the travel agency that they're going to choose, and everything in between. So it becomes very important for travel businesses to really put themselves out there and in the minds of their potential customers. Now, we at Sound of the Shutter, we work with travel-related businesses. We've made videos that help impact their business and really communicates with their target audience. My name is Amogh. I'm the founder of Sound of the Shutter, and I work with travel businesses, helping them make videos to impact their business. I started making videos from a young age. I've been really obsessed with video from a long time. Every time we went on a trip or a tour, I would literally record the entire trip on my Handycam or my phone, my dad's phone especially, and it used to be amazing, What's different about Sound of the Shutter is we not only concentrate on beautiful, high-quality visuals. We of course have that, but we concentrate on telling the right story to the right audience. So whenever we work with a client, we do deep dive interviews with them, really understand what is the core idea behind your business. Every hotel or resort has a story, and it deserves to be understood by its customers. So if you are a travel business and you want your business story told through videos, fill out the discovery form at the end of this video. We'll get on a meeting and see how we can help you guys.